A fresh version of One UI 6.1 has been circulating since the weekend, offering a sneak peek at what the Galaxy S24 series and even older Samsung phones can expect in terms of new features and enhancements. The buzzword here is AI, indicating that artificial intelligence will play a significant role in these updates. Someone who uses an X device shared a preview of One UI 6.1, specifically highlighting 3 new battery protection modes. You can check out these features in pictures and screenshots that are being shared online, for example, on NoUID of Gaming's 3 images on X, formerly known as Twitter. The leaks about One UI 6.1 are just starting, as Bennett Bunner, an X user, has shared several screenshots revealing new features of the Samsung Android 14 interface. It appears that this update is more than just a minor one as indicated by the version number. The key focus here is on artificial intelligence, especially its generative form. Samsung is preparing to share a wealth of information at CES in January under the theme AI for Everyone. Following that, the One UI 6.1 update is set to launch soon with the Galaxy S24 series, and it's packed with AI features. The pictures demonstrate how AI can be used to personalize wallpapers and quickly update the weather on the lock screen. For those curious about Google's Pixel 8, the upcoming features seem somewhat similar to what Google's AI experts already provide. The Magic Editor allows users to manipulate things in photos, copy them between pictures, and make scenes look larger with AI by adding suitable content to the edges. AI can also magically remove unwanted reflections and shadows. In the future, Samsung Notes will use AI to assist with formatting and tidying up. The leaked screenshots of One UI 6.1 confirm what Samsung had officially announced. In this version, calls can be translated instantly, and video conferences can be improved by reducing background noise or filtering out distractions. Additionally, there's a feature to copy text from photos, but it seems this might only work in certain Samsung apps. It's not clear which features of One UI 6.1 will be available on older Galaxy phones like the Galaxy S23 series. While many Samsung phones will likely get the new One UI version, it's uncertain if all the mentioned features will be activated on these older devices. Share your thoughts on this below, and as always, stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.